Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go. Sorry about that, I had a phone call. This is coming from Shenzhen. Like I said, links are going to be down below. Looks like a LED projector type thing. Com Life. Oh, Com Life, alright. Let's see what this has. Oh boy. Whoa, it's like a flashlight type. We got the brackets. We got brackets, I think, or something. I think these like, oh, these are the new to change your projector with. Okay, I get it. You clip them on here, and it'll project the images that are on for the holiday season coming up. There's the snow ones, it looks like. Oh man, it's still early. I'm gonna do this at nighttime too. Whoa, this is gonna be cool. Freak out my neighbors a little bit. Yeah, Halloween stuff, looks like. But I'll do the unboxing right now, and if you guys want to stay tuned, it'll be at the end of this unboxing. Valentine's. Oh sweet, so it's like all the holidays are in. Turkey, turkey, gobble, gobble. Can't wait for that pumpkin pie. Oh yeah. And we got another bunch. So definitely tonight, stay tuned, or after this unboxing, will be the full review. And it comes with, ooh, spooky pumpkins and a witch. Oh, this would be cool, especially for Halloween. Got Christmas ones, if you guys can see it. Snowman, Christmas tree. So these like little cartridges that you pop on the front, and it's gonna project. So I'm gonna charge this up, everything, and like I said, stay tuned right after this unboxing part. It might be a little long video, but sure it would be cool. And you guys could get one at a low cost. Take advantage of fast Amazon shipping. Like I said, Halloween's coming, Turkey Day, Santa Claus. There's a little tripod. All I gotta do is just click it on here, right in here, and just twirl it in. Awesome. And put it like a rocket launcher, you know, type. That's cool. Like there. Boom. And yeah, stay tuned, like I said, right after this full review. But I gotta charge my phone and wait for nightfall to show up. So this is gonna be a later video. Alright, see you in a sec. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we are down in the basement right now with the projector for the holiday season. This is really cool. The slideshows go in here on top. All I gotta do is remove it like so. There you go, and then put it in. I'm gonna show the ceiling, but this would be great for parties, indoor, outdoor. This is what it looks like. They send you a pretty good amount of them. Different ones like Halloween. I'll show you that one in a second. Christmas time and stuff like that. So, and I'm gonna go outside also. Now it's getting a little bit darker. I don't know if you guys can tell, but finally getting darker. But here's on the ceiling, a lot clearer. But if you guys had like a screens and stuff like that, like a party, this would be really cool. And let me show you the other ones for a few. I don't want to make it a too long of a video, but good amount, so you guys can see what else it does. But this one, like I said, is gonna be spooky wooky. But Turkey Day is coming. Oh, jeez, hold on one sec. Alright, here's a ghost pumpkin. It looks like. You guys can zoom in a little bit. This looks sweet in the house. But there's so many other ones to choose from. I'm gonna take this one outside right now, so but definitely cool. Alright, we're gonna check it outside. I'll be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we are outside right now. We got the projector out, and I'll be giving one away. All you gotta do is hit the subscribe button, click on the thumbs up, and then drop a comment below on your favorite holiday. I'll pick one winner, and that'll be chosen on next Friday. So you got 1 week. Comment below your favorite holiday, and share the video. Hit the subscribe button. So really cool projector. Like I said, they come with, I don't know, maybe good 20 or more slides for different holidays. I'm sure it could go back, not sure, further or back. Oh, light is on the window. There's that. So I just don't want to fall. And plus my light is on. So the further you have it, better the picture quality. Shining on the roof. Up on the roof right now. Oh yeah, my neighbor's gonna go crazy this holiday. So right there. Stuff like that. Really cool. There we go. Oh jeez. So like stuff like that. And that's about it, YouTubers. You guys have a good night. Be safe, and I'll see you guys back tomorrow. See ya.